Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Caddirect tutorial how to use hedge pattern. First, I will create a rectangle as example sketch like this. And if you want to apply hedge patterns, you can type hedge, press enter. Now will be show for hedge and gradient dialog box. Now in it, you can click on hedge tab. Use the patterns by clicking at these icons. Now you can see we have 4 options: ANSI, ISO, other, predefined, and custom. So in the I will use these options, other, predefined, and click at these patterns. Click OK. Now to apply into object, you can click at these buttons, add pick internal points, and you can click inside the rectangle. Press escape button to move again into hedge and gradients. And now you can change scale at these options, like I'll set into 0,3. You can click again at pick internal points, click inside this, so it will be automatically more small. Press space button to move again. I will change scale into 0,05. Click preview, and this is 0,05. Press space and to apply. Okay, you can draw again, like I will draw a circle. To set hedge patterns, you can type hedge, press enter, and then change for the hedge patterns, like I will set into these patterns. Click OK. Click at pick internal points, click inside the circle, and press space to apply. You can change again, like scale. I will set into 1 preview. So this is preview, and then press space to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Caddirect tutorial how to use hedge pattern. And if you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.